Here I have Samsung Galaxy M32, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, you have to open your phone application, then enter contacts section, then you have to select the contact which you want to add photo, then tap here, then tap edit contact, and then tap on the camera icon here to add avatar to it. You can select one of the suggested avatars. You can go to the camera and just take a photo at this particular moment, or you can just select a photo from your gallery. Let's select the photo, then you adjust it here and then tap done, and after that tap save and image will be added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.